Hey everybody, welcome back to Rudy Having Fun. I'm Rudy, and today, as you can see by what's behind me here, the Mickey's Fun Wheel and the Paradise Pier Hotel, I'm back down in Anaheim at the Disneyland Resort, where I'm going to check out downtown Disney and all they have to offer for this 30% discount they're offering to former annual pass holders, as well as this here, which is a return on the Christmas sweater I got for my dog that doesn't fit. And inviting you guys to come along as I have a little fun down here. So let's get to it. There's some new rumors and news in the Disney community. The old Rainforest Cafe used to have a food truck parked in front of it here that was recently removed, and there's been whispers of this potentially being turned into a form of a Jedi temple that they will move the outpost, the Star Wars trading outpost into, which is basically perfectly meant for that, something like that. I mean, it's almost as if it was built for that. So that's pretty exciting news if you ask me. So there's that. So yeah, there we go. Here we are. Let's go walk around. For those of you who are not aware, all restaurants, including Starbucks and any other place where you would get any food or beverage, is closed at the moment. And as far as I know, you're not allowed to bring anything in because you're not supposed to be taking your mask off for any reason. Just across the way here is the store I was talking about with the Star Wars trading post that was converted from the Disney Wonder Gallery, where they have one-of-a-kind art. Cool little spot that they'll be putting back in there once they move the trading post over to the old Rainforest Cafe. Alright, finally made it inside of Trading Post, and I've noticed a couple new things since the last time I was here. One of them is Ahsoka plushie. Let's see, $22.99. This may or may not have been here last time I was here, but you also have this Baby Yoda, the child, same price. One thing I'm a big fan of is this shirt here that's got all the coasters from Oga's Cantina. That might be coming home with me. $36.99. I'm standing out here in front of Black Tap, and I stand corrected. There is some places that are open for dining, but it's takeout only. So I might come back here before I hit the road and grab something to eat. Okay, so now I'm seeing Ballast Point, Wetzel's, and Salt and Straw are all open to take the food and eat in your car. So just keep that in mind. So I made it in the world of Disney, and there's certainly no shortage of 2021 merchandise. We got picture frames, picture books, sippy cups, shot glasses, snow globes, Mickey ears, tank tops, whatever you call these, kids stuff. We got bags, sweaters, shirts, hats. Oh, there's more. We got Christmas ornaments, 2021 Christmas ornaments, ticket holders, lanyards, pins. So that's definitely new since the last time I've been here. I think this is new. Child beanie.
Hi, Richard.
Also new, I believe. Child handbag. 45 bucks. None of these things are things I would be taking home with me, but nonetheless.
I love that right there.
Got a little haunted mansion section down here at the end. These are definitely a new addition to the collection. $24.99. This is another new one here as well. I almost picked this one up last time I was here. And I'm pretty sure now that it's still here, I'm not going to pass it up this time. It's got Jack Skellington and what's her name on the sleeve. That's coming home for me for sure. I think there's a lot of new Jack Skellington and Haunted Mansion merchandise over here, it's looking like. I mean, the Zero sweater is new to me. This one here is new. These sweatpants are new. Even these, I mean, I don't think I've seen any of those stuff before. Looks as though they've got like a small little villain section here as well. With like a Maleficent sweater. Ursula shirt. More villains there. Maleficent horns. These candles. A lot of villain stuff here. So I'm in the 5 and dime in the connecting stores. And I just wanted to point out real quick that they are definitely not overstuffing these rooms. There's plenty of space to move around, plenty of space to shop without worrying about people being all in your face. Just thought it was noteworthy. So in general, when I went into the 5 and dime and the connecting stores, I didn't really see much of anything that I didn't see in World of Disney. But I am going to go over here to Off the Page, which is newly open since the last time I was here, and see if I can't find anything cool in there that's worth checking out or possibly purchasing. Wait up, hold up. I just noticed something here. It looks like not only have they opened it up past the trolley, right, like way back past the trolley, past the animation building, but also you could even walk into Hollywood Studios back lot here quite a ways, and it looks like they've opened up a new entrance to the backlot premiere store. So instead of going over to Off the Page, I'm gonna go check this out instead. Look how close you can get to Monsters Inc. I mean, whew, it's giving me the chills. Look at that. Unfortunately, for me, I'm gonna have to end this video early because I'm running out of batteries on the GoPro. But I did want to point out, I just got out of the Universal Studios backlot and I picked up something that I'm pretty excited about, and I'll show you at the end of the video with some of the other things I got. I went a little buku crazy on this one. I don't want to show you everything because I don't want my wife to know how much money I spent. But anyways, long story short, they closed off these other sections, so you can't walk down that way now. I'm here in the hub, but you can roam about a lot further back down towards Hollywood Studios in the back lot over there. So that's definitely different from last time I was here. Came over here to say hi to Mickey. And I don't know if you can see, can't zoom in with this camera, but looks like they're changing the flowers out. I don't think he was purple last time I was here. And then, I don't know if you could see it there, but the wind's really blowing today. As a matter of fact, my wife just texted me and said our backyard fence blew down. So I think that's my cue to go. One more quick look around, and I'm out of here. All right, so I made it back to my car. I've got some food here, and I'm able to recharge my battery. I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I had. First of all, I'm really excited about this one. I got this little windbreaker like sweater thing, and yeah, you've guessed it. Hold on. I'm an Avenger now. So, on top of that, I'm such a nerd. 40-year-old nerd right here. Thank you very much. Okay, here you go. So what else I got? I'm just gonna show you a few things. I got another, remember, Kingdom of Q. I'm hoping that I can round out the collection right now. Highly unlikely the closer I get to finishing it off. So here we go real quick. Let's see how fast I could do this. And we got, oh my goodness. I don't know how I'm doing this, but that is another one that I don't have. So now all I need is, I think the only one I need is Jose. Let's see. If I get Jose here, I am gonna lose my mind. I can't, it's unbelievably lucky. Up until this, I have not gotten a double. So let's see. This is gonna be crazy. Ah, all right, my first double, the prototypical House of Tomorrow. That's okay. I can deal with that. All right, so what else do we got? Oh, by the way, every purchase, and I mean every purchase, every time I went and shopped at a different store, they're giving out these AP magnets to annual pass holders for free. So that's cool. I ended up getting 3 and giving 1 away. All right, so I got a bunch of shirts and stuff. I'm not going to show you any of that. The only other thing I wanted to show you was I got these pins, which are the coasters at Oga's Cantina. I was gonna get the shirt, but then I saw these and I was like, ooh! So I got those. Not even that much of a pin collector, but felt like I had to have those, especially at 30% off. And then the finale here, see if I can get myself a black kyber crystal to make this possibly the best trip of 2021 so far. Let's see. Might have to edit this for time. Moment of truth. Still no luck. Another red one. That's right. Next time. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you stumble across this video and you're new to my channel, you know, it'd be cool if you're interested in subscribing so that you can see future videos. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If not, you know what, that's cool too. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.